Hi, MaryLou here. Good to see you again. Today we're talking about family traditions and building family traditions. That's a very good parenting tip because family traditions are good for kids. It helps them feel grounded in something. It helps them feel a part of something. And so it's important to create those even if they're small. So there's one that I've been wanting to create that a good friend of mine does. For birthdays, she's got all these nice big letters and she puts them up on the wall and spells out the birthday person's name, and they've been doing it for years and everybody kind of thinks it's cool and expects it. And so I kind of wanted to do something like that. And so when I was out with my daughters over the weekend, I found this, and it's called Build a Banner. And it's a kit to get started on building a banner for any number of things, but it's through a company called Wooden Things, and you can find them on Facebook, and I'll be sure to put a link in the description below. But it's got all kinds of supplies to help build some really cool looking banners. And so that's what I'm going to do today. We're going to start a new family birthday tradition for us by building a banner. So stay with me and let's get started. So this is the happy birthday banner from Creative Wooden Things. And there are 8 of these flags, and that part in the middle is magnetic. And so there's a magnetic piece on the squares and there's a magnetic piece on the flags that hold them together. And so that makes them interchangeable. You can change them out. So there are 8 of the flags and then 6 of the squares. There are also some letters in this particular kit. There are the letters that spell out happy and B-Day. I like that this comes apart so you can paint them 2 different colors easily, and then all the letters. I also got free with this kit these attachments that go on the front of the flags, and it just kind of adds an extra decorative element. So what I did is first I painted each of the squares different colors. Now when I painted them, I saw that the wood kind of came through and it wasn't very opaque, so I went ahead and covered all of them again, first with white paint, and then I went ahead and redid them in the bright colors, and they turned out really pretty that way. And then I sanded them a little bit and gave them all a second coat, and they just turned out really bright, really pretty, and nice and ready to move on. Then I took the flags, and first I painted them green in different shades of green, and I really didn't like that. So then I came back through and painted them all with black, because I figured with all the bright colors on the fronts, we wanted something maybe just standard across the back, and I'm really glad I did that. I really liked that, how it turned out with just all of the flags being black. And then I got the inserts that go over the flags, and I painted those white. Now I did experiment a little bit. One of them I painted with regular craft paint, and the other one I used chalk paint. And I really liked the shade of the craft paint a little better. The chalk paint was very kind of a cool white, and the other one was a warmer white, so I went with that one. And then I got these letters. They are chipboard letters that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I picked out the ones that we were going to need within the next couple of weeks, and I used that same white paint and painted them white. I also painted a birthday cake cutout that I had bought also with part of this kit. I used a black Sharpie marker to kind of bring back that dark edge on each of the wood pieces because I really liked that. And then I decided which colors were going to go with which letters. And then I just got some wood glue and used a brush and painted that on the back of each of the letters. And then I strung ribbon through the back of each of the flags and just stuck the letters on. And it's really cool. You can just change them right out because of the magnetic component. I really love that. Here's what my happy birthday sign looked like all put together. And here is my finished cake. Okay, so here's how the banner looks all finished up. And so I painted the wood pieces and kind of created the happy birthday one with what I had. But I just love how colorful and fun it is. And so I just have it hanging right there by the fireplace so that when Mike comes in, he'll see that we're ready to celebrate his birthday. So I hope that you'll take a look at a way to maybe create a fun banner, a way to celebrate birthdays that you can use year after year, and it becomes a tradition and something special that the kids can enjoy.